Hello everyone, welcome to Chirags SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to change compatibility level of a database in SQL Server. Means what is the compatibility level? A compatibility level is the associated with each database. It allows to behavior of the database to the compatible with the specific version of SQL Server it is running on it. And second question is, why do we need the change of compatibility? The database compatibility label setting provides backward compatibility with the earlier version of SQL Server in the related to T-SQL and query optimization behavior only for the specific database for the specific version of the database, not for the entire server. Next is we can change the compatibility label using SQL Server Management Studio. Second is using T-SQL script. First, we should check to determine the current compatibility level query optimization compatibility level columns of system databases. I'm running the query. Let me see the compatibility level. So this is the query. Select name comma compatibility label from sys.databases. Let me execute. It will give you the error, give you the result. Result is master database compatible with 12.0. My database server instance is running with the 12.0. So 120 is the compatibility level this is giving. There is somewhere I am able to see 110. So next, SQL Server version are listed here, and this is the latest version 2019. 2012 is it's coming soon. The RC version is already coming. So these are the for the production use we have, and SQL Server 2012 and earlier version they remove the support, so use 2014 to 2019 for your production use. So these are the version of the SQL Server. This is the DB engine version 15, 14, 12, 13, 12 and 11. You can see this DB version will be here also. So this is a SQL Server 12.0.5000, like that you can able to see. Default compatibility level is 150 for the 2019, 17 140, 2016 130, and 2014 we have a 120. This is a DB version is 12. Next is supported compatibility level. So in SQL Server 2000 supports only the compatibility 80, and all the newer version they support the earlier version also. Just like if you go to the latest version of SQL Server 2019, so you can able to see that 140 is there, 130 is there, 120, 110 up to 100. Up to 100 means it will compatible up to 2000 SQL Server 2008. So these are the supported compatibility level. Next is change compatibility level of a database by using script. So this is the script. We can change the compatibility level using the script also. So this is the script. Let me go through the first changing the SQL Server Management Studio. And one more thing, compatibility level is not automatically changed if you are taking a backup or migrating the database by export backup and restoring the database to your newer version of the SQL Server. Just like I just export the database from 2014, and this compatibility level is 120, and I'm going to restore this database into 2019. Then its default compatibility level will be 120 only. Means it will automatically 120. If you want to change to compatibility level 150, then you have to change it to manually. Best way to do that. Now let me go to the SQL Server, and first we'll just using the SQL Server Management Studio. This is the compatibility levels are already listed there. So just assume that I'm going to change into Chirag 120 is there. Chirags.in. Go to right click on your database, go to properties, click on options, and there is a compatibility label is there. So I have a 2012 is there. I can change it to, just like I'm going to change 2012. Just click on OK. Click on OK. So this is changed. Let me run the query again. See, this is a 110, means compatibility level is 110. Again, if you want to change the latest version of the running database, so go to the options, go to the compatibility level. There is a drop down, select the SQL Server 2014 and click on OK. So this is change again. Let me run execute that command. See, 120 is there. Next is using T-SQL. I'm going to write T-SQL. Alter database. Then I'm going to write the database name. Routine set compatibility level is equal to 110. Let me check first what is the compatibility level in Chirag.in. There is a 120. I'm changing into 110. Let me select this one and execute. Successfully completed. Let me run again. So this is changed to 110. Again, if you want to change to 120, then you can change 120, then alter command, then run it again. Let me check with the query. So this will become 120. So in this video we'll learn how to change the compatibility level and what is the compatibility level and why we need to change. And there is a two methods we change the compatibility level using SQL Server Management Studio. Second is using T-SQL. And there is a list of the SQL Server version, and there is a supported compatibility levels. Thank you for watching. Hope this will help. Thank you.